This video introduces the Samsung Original 25W USB Type-C travel adapter in white. It is compatible with various devices including Google Pixel, Xiaomi, Motorola, iPhone, and Samsung Galaxy S/A series models. The Samsung Original 25W adapter has received a strong rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 50,000 reviews. Take advantage of the special Republic Day deal. The Samsung Original 25W is currently available for 799 rupees, a 53% discount off the original MRP of 1,699 rupees. Experience powerfully refined charging with 25W super-fast charging and Type-C support, providing quick and efficient power delivery. The adapter features a compact design, yet remains powerful, incorporating advanced GaN tech. It boasts a low standby power consumption, minimized to just 5 milliwatts, enhancing energy efficiency. Safety is paramount with the Samsung Original 25W. It includes multiple features like overcurrent protection, short-circuit prevention, temperature control, and low leakage current. The adapter supports dual-range output, featuring PDO at 9 volts and PPS with ranges of 3.3 to 5.9 volts or 3.3 to 11.0 volts. Customer feedback highlights good quality, authenticity, and fast charging. However, some reviews mention mixed functionality, varying durability, and occasional heating concerns.